Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents chocolate truffle cake. Step 1. Preparing cake batter. Take 70 grams room temperature butter. Add half cup powdered sugar. Mix together. Add 1/3 cup condensed milk. One egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Blend it well. Step 2. Preparing dry cake mix. Take 1 cup flour, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Sieve the mixture twice. Step 3. Add dry mix into batches. Combine well. Add the remaining half of the dry mix. Add 1 pinch salt. Half cup coffee, 1 teaspoon instant coffee and half cup of milk. Combine well. Add coffee in batches. Make a thick lump-free batter. Butter the cake tin. Place the parchment paper. Again greased with butter. Dust some flour. Pour cake batter. Place in preheated oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Check with help of toothpick if cleans. Your cake is ready. Set aside the cake tin for 30 minutes. Cracks and domes are normal, so level the cake by cutting off the top and unmold the cake. Step 4. Making ganache. 300 milliliters double cream. Heat the cream. Switch off the flame before boiling. Take 300 grams dark and 300 grams milk chocolate. Add hot cream. Add 1 teaspoon butter. Combine well. Set aside at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. Our chocolate ganache icing is ready. Step 5. Making sugar syrup. Takes half cup water. 3 tablespoons sugar. Cook until dissolves. Set aside to cool down. Cut the cake into half. Apply sugar syrup. Cover with ganache icing. Repeat for second layer. Again, soak the sponge in syrup. Apply ganache. Spread evenly with the help of a palette knife. Refrigerate for 15 minutes. Heat the ganache 10 seconds in the microwave. Spread well. Refrigerate again for 15 minutes. Heat the leftover ganache for 30 seconds. Pour on chilled cake. Without touching, spread the ganache. Decorate with sprinkles and chocolates. Decorate as per your preference. Do try this moist soft chocolate truffle cake and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.